వర్కింగ్ ప్రెసిడెంట్ శ్రీ కేటీఆర్ గారు, అలాగే మిగతా ఎంపీలు, ఎమ్మెల్సీలు, హరీష్ రావు గారికి, అలాగే ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ గవర్నర్ జస్టిస్ అబ్దుల్ నజీర్ గారికి, తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్ర ముఖ్యమంత్రి గౌరవ ముఖ్యమంత్రి రేవంత్ రెడ్డి గారికి, పౌర విమానయాన శాఖ మంత్రి శ్రీ రామ్మోహన్ నాయుడు గారు, ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి పేరు పేరున ధన్యవాదాలు. అలాగే నా తోటి నటీనటులందరూ కూడా మనస్ఫూర్తిగా ఈ సందర్భంలో నాకు వారి వాళ్ళ సందేశాన్ని నాకు తెలియజేశారు. వాళ్ళ గుడ్ విషెస్ చెప్పారు. మనస్ఫూర్తి వారందరికీ పేరు పేరున నా ధన్యవాదాలు తెలియకుండా, అలాగే నా ట్విట్టర్ అకౌంట్ ద్వారా, పార్టీ ట్విట్టర్ అకౌంట్ ద్వారా అందరికీ తెలియజేస్తాను. మీ అందరికి కూడా, ప్రతి ఒక్కరు, అలాగే జనసేన నాయకులు, కార్యకర్తలు చాలామంది పూజా కార్యక్రమాలు నిర్వహించి త్వరగా కోలుకోవాలని చేశారు. వారికి కూడా ప్రత్యేకించి ధన్యవాదాలు. బట్ అన్ఫార్చునేట్ ఏంటంటే ఈరోజు నా పెద్ద కొడుకు అకిరా పుట్టినరోజు. అదే రోజు నా రెండో కొడుకు ఈ విధంగా జరగటం కొంత అన్ఫార్చునేట్ కోఇన్సిడెన్స్ అనిపించింది. బట్ స్ట్రేంజ్. బట్ ఎక్కడ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ ఆపలేదు, మేము చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళిపోయాం. కానీ మేబీ ఈరోజు సాయంత్రం నేను మొత్తం తెలుసుకొని చెప్పాను. అక్కడ అవసరమైన సహాయ కావాలంటే మేము చేస్తామని చెప్పాను. సో మనస్ఫూర్తిగా మీ అందరికీ పేరు పేరున, మీడియా మిత్రులందరికీ, ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి పేరు పేరున Now he is going through bronchoscopy, sir. He will be in general anesthesia. He will be going through bronchoscopy. Yeah, I thought because the problem is it will have a long-term impact, because the kind of smoke they must have inhaled. I don't know how. So it will take some time actually to get the complete details. So I'd like to convey to national media my wholehearted gratitude and heartfelt namaskars to Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji for giving me a call and assuring me that everything is going to be all right. And he gave a great support through Indian High Commission in Singapore in a tragic incident which happened today. My son is being a part of it. And they were supposed to attend a summer camp with 30 students, and it resulted in some fire accident. And I was doing particular under because and particularly vulnerable tribal groups related, some road foundation is there, which is called Adavitalli Bata. I've been visiting there. So today morning I got a call from my wife around 8ish or 8:30. This kind of incident happened. Suddenly I got a call from the school, and they asked me in a panic call. I said they asked me to come to the school. Some fire accident happened. But when I heard it, actually I thought it was a very simple, some kind of very simple incident. But then later I realized the magnitude of that. And even when a kid had to lost life in this, and a lot of children are in hospital right now, and my son is going through right now under, I think under general anesthesia and going through bronchoscopy. And Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji has I got a call from PMO and saying that he heard about the incident, and he said whatever has to be done from our side, it will be done. And Honorable PMO has initiated dialogue with Indian High Commissioner over there, and whatever additional whatever support could be done through them, at least try to convert them to extend it. I'm very extremely grateful, and my heart is filled with gratitude for a call given by Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji. I'm grateful to you, sir. And at the same time, my heartfelt gratitude to Honorable CM Sri Chandrababu Naidu garu. Chandrababu Naidu ji, I'm grateful to you, sir, for your call. At the same time, my heartfelt gratitude to and thanks to Sri Nara Lokesh garu and so many dignitaries, political dignitaries, right from Honorable CM of Telangana Sri Revanth Reddy garu, and Central Aviation Minister Sri K. Rammohan Naidu ji. My heartfelt greetings to you, my heartfelt gratitude to you, and Honorable Governor Sri Justice Abdul Nazir ji, and Honorable previous former Prime Minister Sri Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu, and I'm grateful to him for conveying his best wishes and prayers. And former CM of Tamil Nadu, Sri Edappadi Palaniswamy ji, and my heartfelt gratitude to sir. Central Minister Sri Kishan Reddy ji and Sri Bandi Sanjay ji, and also Andhra Pradesh Upasabhapati Sri Raghuram Krishna Raj garu, and State Minister Sri Nara Lokesh ji, prati okkari kuda, to all of them my heartfelt thanks to everyone for giving your good wishes for my son's well-being. This is a very unfortunate incident, and kid losing a life, it really, I know that it's a pain for any parent. The moment we will send them, ఏదైనా సరే మన పిల్లల్ని పొద్దున్నే సింపుల్ ఒక క్యాంప్కి వెళ్ళి పంపించి వాళ్ళు క్షేమంగా తిరిగి వస్తారనుకుంటా, సింపుల్ సమ్మర్ క్యాంప్ రిజల్టెడ్ ఇన్ డెత్. అండ్ ముఖ్యంగా ద గర్ల్ who had lost life in Singapore, it was quite painful for me, and I was choking with pain today. One part is definitely I'm looking forward for my son's well-being. At the same time, the life lost today, and it was quite painful for me. And to all the wishes which have been pouring for me from each and every social media handle, and all the well-wishers and all the party men, I'm grateful to you. And I'm sorry, sir?
So would you be based in Singapore?
I would be leaving to Singapore tonight. That's the reason why I had to cut short my trip. It was supposed to be a 4-day trip, but I finished Araku Valley, and later I will continue. Once I come back, and I'll continue. And my son is going through bronchoscopy under general anesthesia today. And doctors, I don't know what is the long-term impact about it. I don't know. I had to go through and see it. And this. Especially in a country like Singapore, if this happened, this was quite a shocking for me. Also, Singapore High Commissioner in India also conveyed their concern, and they sent their whatever support is needed, it will be done. And,
What is his age, sir?
yeah, I think he's around 7 years. I think 7 years. Yeah. So he's going to turn maybe, I think 7 years. Yeah. Yeah, I would be leaving in another, I think 9:30 flight.
Team of doctors out of danger or anything else?
As on now, he is reasonably well in Japan, sir. But said right now they are doing bronchoscopy, so final report will be get to I think by tomorrow morning. And this problem with the inhalation of this black smoke is we don't know how long. We have seen in 9/11, it will have a long-term impact. So hopefully, I think everything will be all right. And it is also my heartfelt condolences to the parents who had lost their daughter, and to my concern, I hope to all the parents whose children got suffered, and I really heartfelt. I'm sharing your pain with all of you.
Burnings
And
kuda
this will be all
ekkuva
together.
ayyaya, sir. Burnings.
Burns, a lot of burnings. 3rd-degree burns were there, and my son has got a burn on his hand and thigh. కాలు మీద
పర్సెంటేజ్ ఏమన్నా చెప్పారండి?
లేదు అంటే ప్రస్తుతం తనకి ఎక్కువ లంగ్ ఇంపాక్ట్ ఎక్కువ ఉందని తన పక్కనే కూర్చున్నట్టే ద రీజన్ ఓన్లీ వన్ వాట్ దే వర్ సేయింగ్ ఇస్ ద మూమెంట్